Hey guys, let's see how to reset a EuFy camera. Here I have a Solocam 340, as you can see here on the back of the camera. There we go. And there's a sync button. You just need to press this button until you hear beep. So let me just press it. There we go. So I hear a beep. And now I can get my cell phone to add the camera. You just need to click here on the plus signal and add a new device, right? Let me just do this. So I tap here and I select battery camera, Solocam S340. I'm going to select this, home, and next. And now I need to choose. I'm going to connect to a home base or to the router. In this case, I have just a router. I don't have a home base. So I tap here and I select the Wi-Fi to connect the camera to. Remember to use 2.4 gigahertz network and enter your password. There we go. I hit next. And it's asking to type the sync button, so click the sync button. I already did that, so I just hit next here. And I need to point the camera to read a QR code. So I hit OK. I get the QR code, point to the camera. There we go.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
So I got the message. Hit here.
Setup was successful.
Okay, so I got it working. Just hit next here. Select the name to the camera. Next. And I just check here everything like the optimal battery, most efficient, notification, microphone, audio recording. So basically everything here. Installation, instructions. And I'm good to go. Okay. Next again. And I can skip this test if I want to. And there we go, I'm back home. So when I click here, backyard, just wait for it to connect. And there you go, I got a message, unable to connect, but it took some time and then now it's connected, right? There we go, it's basically working here. So that's the way you can reset your EuFy camera and add that again to the app. Alright, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.